और Kapatisi TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
I think that can be done now because they'll give the treatment and then in the morning the consultant will come with the norm and then they'll decide whether any surgery has to be done or not.
Then the comes surgery has to be done.
That is in the morning.
So we don't have to give details from here.
You can give so that you have work tomorrow.
Yeah.
Ki Noyalam Jongka Khasi Students Union Delhi Unit haka laipotrek unailar arajar apsan kila pentep bakila yo ya kawai ka phone call na kawai ka nurse na Shylong but now doctor ubatray ha Aiims Hospital Delhi ubala pentep bakadan kawai ka Samla Khasi ka bampala bantep kerteng ka badai na Shylong ka badan hapadeng ka jing Mynsaw jur ka President Jongka KSU Delhi Unit ka Samla Marbiang Khongwer ha ukurwa balapha daki video kalayathu ba tangshiyo jingtep halor kani kilalet marmar sha hospital banwa jingtep chapangani ka Samla Khasi kabadan hapadeng ka jingbam te brio bat kadang sha sumar menta ha ka critical care unit ka Aiims Hospital Delhi kalayathu shushu bah ka jinglet toket naki pulet kibadan hapo ka Aiims Hospital Delhi la pentep bala letbu yakani ka Samla Khasi ha kani ka hospital da wei Shynrang brio ha ka ba ula shiathu ha ki bor penia ka hospital ba kani ka Samla kala Mynsaw na ka daw bakala ur hanrai ha ka medical report na ki doktor kila penpau ba kish ing krung jong kani ka Samla kila kedia kish ing simpre akti bat ka med baro ko wei kala Mynsaw jurba
That girl is beyond, she hasn't his number. Then her phone is broken, so he doesn't remember his number.
No, I don't understand. Like a girl brought her here or a boy brought her to the hospital?
A boy brought her to hospital and she herself is telling she doesn't have the number of the boy.
Okay, and you met her in the hospital only?
Yes.
Okay, what is your good name again?
And I was, actually I was on duty at that time, but now I'm not in her now.
Okay, thank you. We just...
She's in hospital.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
You are to call me a nurse in Shynrang, but if doctor betray hapo Aiims Hospital, but kinapitini ba lawan bu iwi kena iba dina badi Khasi badi na Shynrang, but kilakot iwi siya hospital tu kumtahi manma nakalian juga stay Leit Iwat hospital anda lapoy ham tu nakli ki doctor iwan matnu ki subatai ba wan bu Shynrang amte beda kuteng juntai kenaro dengan dan pla dan phone dan identification ye ting delipet di kenaro ilong unconscious but in the situation jadi kalau critical bah dia hapo kumtahi na kalian juga stay nali kenu di kulit keberadaan na choki hapo ang to hospital hi nilipet ka MLC report but hapo ka report la batay ki kulit ini wan bu ikna we Shynrang wan bu na Noida but I can report by or dia kumtahi din lapan ki medical report pe ki initial medical report ki doctor ka situation kamlong critical kam ikop depan shu on baur dan kalian tu mesti kena shu suba wadan na dia ini kata ni nak kan batai bah ni naman boleh ba hapo ke report lah tho ba ka pelvic region ji kala fracture ki ribs kala fracture ki kejat ini ki simpre kejat baru kala fracture the multiple injuries gidan the long haba yang pemerintah tinggal batai isu nagalian tu stay ni dan hospital ni isu yai up but sudah dekat bagi but ni kemen ba syaitas ni mentai dalam aku observation aku critical care unit dan isu kemen ba intibrio nak apply kenang ba ni tip ka ba jabat ni